In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the homepage in Weebly. Whether you're refreshing your website or simply looking to prioritize a different page, resetting your homepage is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's navigate to Weebly's main website. You can easily do this by typing Weebly into your web browser or using a direct link if you've got one handy. Once the site loads, you should see an option to log in. Clicking that will open up the login portal. Here, go ahead and enter your email and password and then click the login button. If you're new to Weebly or haven't logged in recently, you may need to authenticate by following any additional prompts you receive. Next, after logging in, you'll find yourself on the overview page, which is essentially the dashboard of your Weebly account. This is where you manage your sites. Look for the option that says edit site and give it a click. This might take a moment, but it will load the main editor interface where all the magic happens. Once you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. You should see a tab labeled Pages. Click on that to open up a list of all the pages you currently have set up on your website. It's like getting a bird's eye view of your site's structure. From here, you need to select the page you'd like to make your new homepage. Simply click on the page name to highlight it. This highlights the page and means you're ready to proceed with making changes to it. Now here's a nifty little trick. When you hover over the selected page, you'll notice an option to click and drag. This allows you to rearrange your pages. Grab the page you want to set as your home page and drag it to the top of the list. This is often a simple yet pivotal step, as the topmost page in Weebly's page list gets prioritized as the home page. Ready for a final tweak? You might want to rename the page to identify it as your new homepage clearly. Simply double click on the page name and you'll be able to type homepage as the new title. This helps keep your site organized, especially if you're managing multiple pages. Finally, don't forget to click any highlight buttons if prompted, as this can sometimes be part of Weebly's way of letting you set special conditions for your homepage design. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully